Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 8th. Dear students, today we will discuss one of the question from textbook, page number 157, that is, describe the construction of kaleidoscope. So, dear students, as you know that kaleidoscope is an optical instrument that in which the multiple reflections takes place. These multiple reflections help us in making the different patterns, different designs. Uh, as you see, the designers of wallpaper and fabrics and artists, they use kaleidoscope to get idea for new patterns. So basically, what happens it in the kaleidoscope? Kaleidoscope is basically an optical instrument in which three mirror strips are placed and the phenomenon of multiple reflections takes place in the kaleidoscope, which is the main factor behind the reason that it is used to form different patterns. That is why it is used by designers, it is used by artists to get the idea of new patterns. So, dear students, how can we make a kaleidoscope? So, we have to take three rectangular mirror strips of the size 15 into 4. These are joined together to form a prism, and the prism is fixed into a circular cupboard tube. The circular cupboard should be larger than prism. It should be larger than prism. The circular cupboard should be larger than prism. The circular tube is now closed at one end with a cupboard. The disc has a small hole at the other end of circular tube. Glass plate is kept which holds the glass prism. On this glass plate, several small and broken pieces of colored glasses are placed. So this is the construction of a kaleidoscope. So in a kaleidoscope, the three mirror strips of size 15 into 4 is joined together to form a prism, and this prism is fixed into a circular cupboard tube as shown in the figure. The circular cupboard should be larger than the prism. The circular tube is closed at one end with a cupboard disc. The disc has a small hole at the other end of circular tube. Glass plate is kept which holds the glass prism. On this glass plate, several small and broken pieces of colored glasses are placed. These small pieces of colored glasses which are kept on it, this is used when the multiple reflection takes place on these small prism. They give different patterns. That is why this kaleidoscope, it is used by the artists and designers for obtaining idea of new patterns. So dear students, this is the simple construction of the kaleidoscope and use of kaleidoscope in the light optical instruments. Dear students, stay connected with new